carousel post in your LinkedIn account. Hi there, creating carousel posts on LinkedIn is actually a great way to engage your audience with multiple images or videos. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. So first, you must need to log in to your LinkedIn page. Click Home. Click Start a Post. Click Add a Document. You can choose your file from your Dropbox or Google Drive. Choose File from your computer. Select. It should be in PDF file format. So you can create a carousel post. Add the documents, and you can customize them with captions, titles, and descriptions. Here, what I type is my file name, Kei Creates Professional Services. So once you are satisfied with the carousel post, you can click Done. Here you can customize the captions or the description of your post. So there you go. I am just customizing my description, adding some link from my website, and I'm just adding also some hashtags recommended by LinkedIn, or you can also put your own hashtags. And once you are done, you can click the pause. There you go. So I hope this helps you and you can get started with it. Don't forget to like your post.